What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a chit chat video requested by Fine Natural Hair Rocks, one of my fine naturalista friends that I can't wait to meet one day. But she requested this video. She had an idea of basically saying what's my favorite brand. So if you want to know my favorite brand and you looked at some of my videos and you're curious to know, stay tuned for this video. So my favorite hair brand. Now, let me preface this by saying this is just my favorite brand as of today. My favorite hair brand by far is Miel. Actually, it's Miel. I'm sorry. It's Miel. Because, yeah, we can't be out here saying stuff wrong. The owner made it very clear on her Instagram that it's Miel, not Miel, just so you guys know. But yeah, Miel is a brand that I discovered a while ago. I had their leave-in. That was my first ever product, but I didn't reach out to buy the other things within the pomegranate and honey collection. I started off with the leave-in from that collection, and then I recently, within the last 2 to 3 months, discovered the other products. Guys, not only is the pomegranate and honey collection good, but the rosemary and mint collection is also one of my favorites. And I haven't even got into the products that a lot of people have as staples, like the almond oil I heard is good. I heard the Babasu and mint collection was good. So I haven't even dived into those. So no telling how much I'll like those once I hit that. But for now, my favorite 2 collections is the pomegranate honey and rosemary mint. The one that I would like the most, if you want to dig even more, would probably be, that's a hard one. I think maybe the pomegranate and honey, only because the shampoo it leaves my hair very moisturized. The conditioner has a very moisturizing effect with my hair. Like, the more hydrated my hair is, the easier it is to detangle. If it's like drier, it's harder to detangle. I mean, common sense. But it helps, something about it, it's like, it doesn't leave this residue to where, you know how you use a product and it's moisturizing at first and then it's a bunch of ingredients that basically hinder you from getting more moisture in. These products don't do that. Every time I use the Miel pomegranate honey, my hair is soaking like with hydration. Like, it's the most that I've ever seen with my hair. Now, I say that to say the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in, and I also have the twisting souffle. I also tried the curl smoothie, which my hair didn't like that much a long time ago, probably like before I tried the leave-in. So yeah, I take that back. The leave-in and smoothie were the first 2 products I tried. I tried it as a combo. It didn't work. It caused flakes, but maybe it was something I did because girl was going through a lot at that time. My hair porosity changed, but I finally got that in order. I'll make sure I link that above too, or in the cards and on the screen, so you guys can check out that video. But yeah, your girl has low porosity. I have fine type 4 natural hair, and it's about, I would say 4B, 4C. As you can tell by my curls, like, my hair can get really defined if I really work at it. But like wash and goes and stuff, it would look just like this. It would look probably a little less defined. I have some wash and go videos on my channel if that's what you like. You can see a couple videos I did wash and goes. But let me get back on track, because your girl loves to go off track sometimes. Let me stay on track. But the Miel pomegranate honey line is my favorite out of the Miel brand. The next will probably be the rosemary and mint, and the hair mask from the rosemary and mint collection is bomb. If you need something that has a good strengthening and moisture protein balance, you are going to love that hair mask. I recommend that hair mask for everybody, because when I first tried it, I thought I was tripping. I thought there couldn't be anything better than the mint, the Miel Babasu and mint deep conditioner. That's the only one I have from that collection. I thought it couldn't get better than that, because when I put on that one in the past, my hair immediately absorbed all moisture and my protein moisture balance was correct. Now I use that one, that will have your hair super, super strong. Like you won't have any breakage. You have a high moisture balance. But I wouldn't say use that one every time you wash your hair, because your hair will become really strong. It's not going to break off, but it's going to become very strong, and it's going to you're going to have to put in more work to put more moisture in it. Versus if you were to use, you know, maybe 2 times, it depends on your hair. So for my hair, I can't use it every wash day because I'm protein sensitive, and also my hair like moisture more than it like protein. So I use it on rotation. So maybe one wash day I use that. The next wash day I use a moisturizing one. Let's sum this up by saying, if you guys haven't tried me out, I highly recommend their company and their brand and their products. I would recommend the pomegranate and honey collection, and also the rosemary and mint collection. And then you may want to dip on down with the other ones too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of like more relaxed, not as formal as my normal videos, but it is kind of formal still because I'm still sitting here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat. If you want to see more chit chats on my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and comment down below chit chat or something along those lines so I know that you want it. And then also thumbs up this video. That also shows me that you want this content more, because, you know, the more you like it, the more I'm going to put out videos and content like that. So yeah, without further ado, that's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.